We'll practice finding impulse, average force, and change in kinetic energy for a baseball hit by a bat. Here's the problem. A 0.15 kilogram baseball approaches a bat at 40 meters per second and leaves at 50 meters per second in the opposite direction. The bat is in contact with the ball for 0.005 seconds. Find the impulse delivered to the ball, the average force exerted by the bat, and the change in kinetic energy. First, impulse equals change in momentum. We'll take the outgoing direction as positive. Change in momentum is mass times final velocity minus initial velocity. The mass is 0.15 kilograms. Final velocity is 50 meters per second. Initial velocity is negative 40 meters per second because it's in the opposite direction. So 50 minus negative 40 is 90, times 0.15 gives 13.5 kilogram meters per second. Next, average force is impulse divided by contact time. Force equals 13.5 divided by 0.005, which gives 2.7 times 10 to the third newtons. Now find the change in kinetic energy. Change in kinetic energy is 1/2 mass times final velocity squared minus initial velocity squared. Half of 0.15 is 0.075. 50 squared is 2500. 40 squared is 1600. Difference is 900. 0.075 times 900 gives 67.5 joules. Remember, impulse equals change in momentum, and average force is impulse over time. Kinetic energy change uses the squares of velocities.